Wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in South Tyler close to Jack Elementary. This open floor plan allows for an ease in entertaining or everyday living with a lovely stone fireplace in the den. The kitchen is equipped with stainless appliances, granite countertops, pretty stained cabinetry, pantry, and dining area. The split master with ensuite bath has a double vanity, separate tub and shower, and nice walk-in closet. The 3 guest rooms provide ample space for family or guests and share a full hall bath. No carpet. Outside, enjoy the covered back porch and fully fenced backyard. Extra amenities include Alexa-controlled lights, thermostat, and kitchen sink faucet. Also, TrimLights are installed on the eaves, plus a blink camera and Ring doorbell. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.